a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry, be happy.
Look at that little man, guys. He's so nosy what dad is doing. Look at him. He's so cute, honey. He's so cute. I will let you try this one. It's good.
You want roast beef?
I will put this in the cup and I will get it for you.
Would you like your mama said, this little piggy went to the market.
And the piggy is in the bag, bag.
And this little piggy stayed home. And this little piggy gets roast beef. And that little piggy gets none.
Sunday. It's almost dinner on for them. My goodness.
It doesn't matter. He wants a little bit.
No, I mean all of them, not just him.
Now it's Hobbs. Hobbs like, screw that, Rox. We're gonna jump right on your head.
You know what?
Hobbs is gonna jump. Roxy's sticking her nose there. Hobbs is gonna jump right on her head. He's like, no fucking way.
Honey, dinner time, so remember that.
I know, I'm just giving him a couple bites.
I give you my thing. If you, I want you to try it. Chocolate mocha.
One piece of roast beef.
Don't drop on the floor, okay?
I didn't drop it.
Them, did they drop it on the floor?
No. You kidding me?
That's not cooked, hon.
Are you kidding? Cooked perfect.
That's not cooked. It's bloody.
That's the way roast beef is supposed to look.
Okay, I want you to try this, okay? Yeah, it's here now. Oh my God, Hobbs. Seriously, Hobbs. He ate it all?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you getting... Oh, I forgot to give you one. Sorry. Okay, drink that, okay? I'm gonna cook this. This is your dinner. This is yours, and I'm gonna cook this. If you can have this if you like my cooking, okay? And honey, who won't eat dinner, hon? He won't eat dinner, honey. Honey, he's swallowing his saliva. You cannot pour it on the chair.
That's it, guys.
Did he eat it or drop it on the chocolate?
No, he ate it.
Hala, honey, like a dog, hala. No, yes, he put it in the chair.
My God, you're eating faster than Roxy. No, he didn't put it on the chair at all. Never hit the chair.
Really?
As big as that piece was, never hit the chair.
Usually he drop it.
Okay. Mama wants to see how big a piece you'll eat.
Wipe if it's you, if drop it. That's it. Wait, it's too big too. He says that's too big. He's gonna choke me. He dropped it on the floor. Yes, he did.
No. Never hit the chair. Like,
no, honey, swallow.
Walking through the...
Han, dimples, Han.
Where are dimples?
And that's it, Han.
Oh, I can't give Misty and not Roxy.
Honey, look at your son. Honey, look at your son. He's so cute.
Where's dimples?
Yeah, he dropped it. Oh my God, Hobbs. They won't eat dinner, honey. Period.
Alright, that's it. One more little piece from Misty because Roxy got a little piece and that's it. Guys, seriously, Because otherwise you're not going to eat. Mama's going to be yelling at me. That's it. No more.
Okay.
No more.